The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Berkeley County in southeastern South Carolina, Charleston County in southeastern South Carolina, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near McClellanville, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Pleasant, McClellanville, Isle of Palms, Awendaw, Jamestown, Garris Landing, UG, Bull Island, Price Inlet and Mount Pleasant Regional Airport. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds.